Everybody, it's Kirsten Mays here from Citizenship Academy, and today we are on day 3 of this week's character trait. We have been talking about optimism all week, and today we are going to actually do a little fun activity. So before that, let's look at today's quote. It says that hope is the little voice you hear whisper, maybe, when it seems the entire world is yelling no. So that basically means that when somebody tells you that you might not be able to do something, maybe like in Amazing Grace, when her classmates were telling her that she couldn't be Peter Pan because she was a girl, that's not a thing. Don't listen to those people. Just because they say you can't doesn't mean you can't. All right, so have you ever heard of the saying glass half full versus glass half empty? What do you think it means, maybe, if you've never heard it? Go ahead, take some time to think. Maybe think about a time in your life here at school, or maybe even outside of school, where you felt like your glass was half empty. So maybe your energy wasn't all the way full. That could be a good example. Maybe you only had half energy. All right, so go ahead and turn and talk to somebody next to you, or think about it in your head. Give you a little bit of time. You can even pause the video if you need more time, and then I'm going to head to the next slide. All right, so my example maybe was that when I come to school, I only had half of my energy. But instead of being droopy and doing this in my seat and not doing my work, I'm like, well, at least I'm not all the way empty. I still have half of my energy, which is better than nothing. So I'm going to have a great day. I'm still going to do my work. I'm going to listen to my teachers. I'm going to rock it. Okay? So that's a good way to look at the glass half full instead of saying it's half empty. Empty is kind of saying it's negative. Remember, we want to be positive. So glass half full, that compares to positive, being positive about having only half of your energy. Okay, so like I said, we're not turning anything in today. We're only turning stuff in on Friday. So you are going to go ahead and just turn and talk to somebody next to you, or talk in your head. Just think about what I just said. If you need to pause the video, go ahead. But that's it. I'll see you tomorrow.